Welcome back to yet another video. So here I am illustrating quilted jacket, which gonna be our today's topic of learning. So yeah, just dig into it. So quilting is joining three layers of fabric together. So the surface fabric could be your sweat, cotton, leather, and middle layer is felt, and sometime it could be filled with polyfills, and last layer is any sort of lining cotton. So this is about the quilt, and there are four basic steps of rendering the quilt. So first one is the shaping your the quilted area first very lightly, like I design here diamond shape. So you can design vertical or horizontal line, but the process remains the same. Second is apply the base color of your fabric, very light tone, because here I am illustrate leather jacket. So leather is bit shiny surface, so I always start with my super lightest color first. Third is depth. If you know the shadow and highlights, then this will really very easy to understand for you. So quilting is typically sewing with multiple stitches, so I am only darken up the stitches part where the light was hit less and the highlights as it is. Fourth is to give more 3D look to the jacket, always deepening the dark colors and blend it in circular way as I am showing you here. So this is how you can achieve the quilted 3D look, and I hope this video is helpful to you. And I'm not using any kind of white for the highlights here. I am just leaving the part where I want to show my highlights and just deepening the part where the light is less. So, and also where the stitches like our sleeves and joining side seams and sleeves part, I rendered it like very darkly. So yeah, this is the way you can render the quilted jacket, and always blend the colors when you done, so that it could not look separate, if that make any sense. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. If you do so, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.